Welcome for giving me this opportunity today. My project title is Molecular Characterization and Detection of Antibiotic Resistant Gene in Salmonella species isolated from live bird market. I have segmented my presentation in several layers like introduction, justification, objectives, methodology, expected outputs, operational costs, and conclusion. Introduction. We know that food animals, especially poultry, are major reservoirs of resistant bacteria and foodborne infection. And in our country, live bird markets are key poultry trading hubs for close human poultry contact and continuous bird movement facilitated the transmission of salmonella into the human food chain. Salmonella is a gram-negative bacteria, and the disease caused by it is known as salmonellosis. It is a major global public health concern as humans often acquire multi-drug-resistant salmonella through consumption of contaminated poultry products. Justification of my project is, as I have said earlier, salmonellosis is a common infection and it can be transmitted to the human through consumption of contaminated poultry meat or direct contact with infected birds. And antimicrobial resistance poses a major global health concern today in a country like Bangladesh. So I have selected this topic as my project. My specific objectives are isolation and identification of salmonella species from live bird market, and then determination of antibiotic resistant pattern by using this diffusion method, and then I will perform polymerase chain reaction for detection of antibiotic resistant gene. Here I have made an experimental design. After collection of samples, I will bring it to the microbiology laboratory of the Russian University. I will randomly select 10 livestock market from Russian University or Russian metropolitan area, and a total of 90 samples will be collected for analysis. After that, I will make culture of the samples to get my desired organism, which is Salmonella, and then I will perform some other tests like morphology by gram staining, biochemical test, and then I will proceed to antibiogram study, and finally I will do the PCR for detection of antibiotic resistant gene in Salmonella. Here are some expected outputs for selection or identification of the bacteria. After this, I will perform antibiogram assay, and this will be diagnosed by comparing the zone of inhibition provided by CLSI. And after that, I will perform PCR, which will be confirmed by using agar-aerosol electrophoresis. Conclusions: the main aim of my project is to detect the antibiotic resistance in Salmonella mostly, and because antibiotic resistant bacteria can be transmitted to human, and antibiotic use